Hello everyone, Kuremine is here, and today I would like to share some basic trick that you can use if your power button is not working or faulty. So basically this is my Redmi Note 5i, and this is old phone. I bought it around 2018, and now already for a year and I have an issue. I cannot use anymore the power button and also volume button. These three buttons already faulty. Since it's already faulty, you must be wonder how to turn off and turn it on. And basically I think this is common things and common tricks that most likely or everyone already know, but in case if you did know what you want to do, you can follow my video. So for turn it off, there are two ways. First, you can go into the security. This is the basic one. And then you go into battery and performance. And here you will see option is schedule power on and off. Click on it, and you can set what time you would like to make device automatically turn it off. And of course I choose every day because since I cannot turn off my phone, so I had to choose every day. So most likely 1:38 lah. This is roughly my sleep time. There is another way. If you use a third party, you can download some third party apps, and one of them is Shutdown. This one doesn't require root. Just click on it, and before that you must grant a permission, the accessibility permission. Once you grant, you just click this and voila, you can see here the power off option if you press the power button. So let's try reboot. And well, most third-party apps require root, but this one is very good because you doesn't need to root your phone to do this. And keep remember, I forgot to tell, and this phone is on MIUI 11, so this is the option for MIUI 11. So there we start. So the problem solved. So that is for turn off your phone. For turn it on, there is also another two option. First, click on security, goes into battery and performance like early, schedule power off on, and you can set time here, and you can set every day and what time you want set, so your Redmi phone or Xiaomi phone can turn it on by itself. This is very basic, and this is another way, and I just using this way, and it's very common. Just click on your clock and set your alarm. So when you set your alarm, and this is how I choose how to wake up my phone. So I doesn't need to set through the schedule. So that's it, very easy. And now I will show you how to do it on MIUI 12. So here we go again, basically it's just the same. The difference is this is MIUI 12. So what you need to do, just click on security, click on the battery, and click on the battery again, and you will see the same option like on MIUI 11. Just click on it, and this is how you want to set and schedule what time you want your phone turn it on or turn it off. It's basically just the same option. And you can also download third-party apps like I done it before, that like I show you earlier. And this is just a trick lah, in case your phone, your Redmi phone or your Xiaomi phone had a problem. So mine is still new and it doesn't have a problem at all. So this is all for today, and this trick is most likely same for other phone. And like I say, this is just a basic, which means most people already know the trick. What you can do if your phone is if your power button had an issue or faulty. So for this phone, I'm using a iPhone 10. So basically, if I want to sleep my device, I just drag the control here and I just choose a lock screen, so it will sleep. So how do I unlock it? I just do a fingerprint and already unlocked. So this is vital if you had an issue on your power button. So I would recommend you to fix it as soon as possible. But if you doesn't want to fix it for a while, temporarily let the power button faulty and you doesn't want to fix it, or you want to fix it for another time, so you can just use my trick. And so that's for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. To support me, press the subscribe button and press the like button. Thank you so much. Bye.